everyone. So I'm going to give you a morning view, and it's literally very cold here. So yeah, let us see the wonderful morning view of the sea, Arabian Sea. I'm just going to this restaurant. Wow, so beautiful. It's mesmerizing view. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Wow. Sunrise through the palm trees.
As good as the day I met you, I forgot just why I left you. I was insane.
Hey, there's dolphins. Have fun.
All we need is somebody to leave.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, dolphin, look there, guys. Woo.
Having a good time, huh? Dolphin.
Hey, dolphin, once more. Woo. There is so much fun in South Goa and North Goa, trust me, guys. Don't ever miss a trip to South Goa whenever you visit Goa.
Hey, there's another one. Zoom in.
We are sailing across the Arabian Sea, and backside that's the Palolem beach, and the view from here is amazing. I hope we can see lots and lots of dolphins. So yeah, finger crossed.
Monkey Island.
And we are approaching towards the Monkey Island. This is a beautiful Honeymoon Beach. You can see it's mesmerizing, the amazing view. And this beach is in accessible from the road, and the only way to come to the beach is you will have to sail over from Palolem beach to this beach. And these are oysters. Amazing view.
Yeah. Awesome.
Beach by the cliffs. Wow. No words to describe. And you must visit this place. Video can't capture its beauty, literally. It's so beautiful. There's my hubby dearest. Hello.
Hi.
Beautiful. And next I will show you the Butterfly Beach, which is one of the most beautiful beach in India. And yeah, I will show you the Butterfly Beach. And look at that stone. It looks like a tortoise, isn't it? And that's the Honeymoon Beach from where we just came. The turtle stone. It's a huge one. And the view is just jaw-dropping. Wow. And that's the Butterfly Beach. It looks like a butterfly, and I think it's named after butterfly cause it resembles like that of the wings of the butterfly, and it's also known as the secret beach. Guys, now we'll be going towards the end of the beach, and let me see if I can go to that island. I will try my best to reach there, only if there is low tides. And yeah, I will give you a view from the corner and from the island if I can go there. So finally we have arrived at the end of the beach, and the view from here is amazing. Let me give you a tour of the surroundings here. Yeah, we have traveled from there to here, and yeah, and the cliff that you can see further down, that one, yeah, that's form a part of the famous Western Ghat mountain range. And there's also a bridge to cross over from here to there, and this is a river, and I'll be traveling to that island. So yeah, let's go together. I've chosen to cross this tiny stream of water instead of crossing it by that bridge that I have shown you. And yeah, let's cross it.
Swim is quite active.
And the view from this restaurant is amazing. It's a wonderful place.
Truly surreal.
Yeah, indeed. We reached the Monkey Island, and the view from here is surreal. Whoa, it's so beautiful. But we can't access the island as it is owned by someone. It's written over there, restricted area. So yeah, this is the view from here. I think you all are enjoying with me.